How to turn on or off Raise to Wake on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Display and Brightness option and tap on it. This section allows you to adjust the appearance of your screen, including light and dark modes, brightness, and text size. Inside the Display and Brightness menu, scroll down until you find the Raise to Wake option. Raise to Wake automatically wakes the lock screen when you lift your iPhone to look at it. Simply tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn this feature off. To enable it, simply tap the toggle switch again to turn it on. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off the Raise to Wake feature on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.